It is rare to have access to the DIY experience of firing glazed beads at high temperature, and the teacher patiently explained each step, which gave me a deeper understanding of the meaning of each totem, and through creative thinking, I made a unique one by myself. It was the first time I played with firing, and I finally understood that the process of making colored glazed beads is so layered. It feels so fresh, but the passionate flame made us sweat profusely. It's well worth experiencing their culture. The price is cheap, thumbs up emoji. Cheap and fun, the finished product is so beautiful, you need to set aside 2 hours to make it. I have come to Taitung many times and never knew that there is such a handmade activity. This time I had the opportunity to experience it. It feels very special. The teacher taught very carefully and patiently one-on-one, even though my mind went blank after the explanation. I was still guided by the teacher's skillful hands to complete the work step by step. Because I picked the color and matched the beads myself, it is unique. I like this feeling very much. Thank you to teachers, red heart emoji, for adding a lot of color to my. It's cheap and fun, but you must reserve time for burning glass beads and beading. You can only choose liuli for the pass, but I have 2 children, so I changed it to bracelets. Basically, the price is the same, and liuli needs to control the number of people more, so it doesn't cause any trouble for the store. The children like the bracelet experience very much, and the store also has other activities. You can arrange it next time. The white buildings in Taitung are very easy to find. The bracelet experience lasts about 30 to 40 minutes. After choosing a main bead for blessing, the teacher will guide you table by table. The remaining decorative beads can be taken home to train concentration and fine movements. They are all great, thumbs up emoji. The teachers are. It's the first time to play with colored glaze by yourself. Thank you teacher for the detailed explanation. Let us have a deeper understanding of such handicrafts. It is recommended to arrange time to experience it. The clerks are super nice, and one of the big sisters has been helping us. The good tools come from a few carvers who are really good. I hope I will have the opportunity to come late next time. I think it's a great experience. But it's really hard to burn the glass. I'm thinking about the teacher saving me while doing it. My glass beads are about to be rolled into dice, but the teacher will help to fix it later. Thumbs up emoji. Very fun experience activity. Because the restaurant is right next to it, Naluan Clubhouse, I arranged this DIY when I had free time in the morning. I took a 3Y child to experience the sandblasting cup. The difficulty is very suitable. Smiley face emoji. All are sticking and tearing off stickers. After the pattern is selected, the remaining part can be creatively cut. The location is located in an old sugar factory, so parking is easy and there are also other shops to visit. The teacher is professional and patient, and making your own glass beads gives you a great sense of accomplishment. The teacher is very patient and gentle. I love the bracelets and pendants that I made. I also really like the meaning of glass beads among the Paiwan people. Located in the sugar factory park, you can take a walk along the way. Because the prices of the 3 courses are the same, you can choose from them before making them, and the teacher is very patient. The teacher is very patient and attentive in teaching adults. Children also have fun. After the teacher carefully taught the children to create their own creations, the activity process was very comfortable and comfortable. The children liked it very much and expressed that they would like to go again next time.